Welcome back to my YouTube channel FFBMD, that is Fake Fashion Behind the Movie and Dance Show. Only name is fake, but the material inside it is pure and genuine, like 100 carat diamond or 24 carat gold. Today's topic is work, energy and power. A scalar product or dot product of a vectors. The scalar product or dot product of any two vectors A and B is defined as A dot B equals to mod of A into mod of B into cos theta equals to AB cos theta, where theta is the angle between vector A and vector B. We have A dot B equals to AB cos theta equals to A into under bracket B cos theta equals to A into OM as shown in the figure equals to A into component of B vector along A, because OM equals to OP cos theta from the figure equals to mod of B into cos theta equals to B cos theta equals to projection of B vector on A. Similarly, A dot B equals to AB cos theta equals to B into under bracket A cos theta equals to B into under bracket OM equals to B into component of A vector along B vector, or equals to magnitude of B vector into component of A vector along B vector, because from figure it is clear that cos theta equals to OM by OQ. This implies OM equals to OQ cos theta equals to A cos theta, or equals to projection of A vector on B vector. Properties. It follows commutative law, that is A dot B equals to B dot A. Second, it obeys distributive law, A dot under bracket B plus C equals to A dot B plus A dot C. This is distributive law. Third, if lambda is a real number, then A under bracket lambda into A vector dot B vector equals to lambda into under bracket A dot B. Hence, lambda A vector dot B vector equals to A vector dot lambda B vector. B, A dot under bracket lambda B vector equals to lambda into A dot B vector. C, lambda into A vector dot alpha into B vector equals to lambda into alpha into A dot B. For dot product of unit vectors, we have A I cap dot I cap mod of I cap into mod of I cap cos theta equals to 1 into cos 0, because angle between same vector is 0, which comes out to be 1. So I that I cap dot I cap equals to 1, where I cap vector is a unit vector along x-axis. Similarly, we can write j cap dot j cap equals to 1 and k cap dot k cap equals to 1. J cap is the vector unit vector along y-axis and k cap is the unit vector along z-axis. B, I cap dot j cap equals to mod of I cap into mod of j cap into cos theta equals to 1 into cos 90 degree, because angle between I and j is 90 and cos 90 is equals to 0. So I cap dot j cap becomes 0, or this j cap dot I cap also equals to 0. Similarly, we can write I cap dot k cap equals to 0 and k cap dot I cap equals to 0, and j cap dot k cap equals to 0 and k cap dot j cap equals to 0. Now dot product in component form. We can write a vector in component form as a vector equals to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, and b vector equals to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz cap. Now a that b under bracket ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az cap dot bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz cap. Now taking dot product, we have under bracket ax I cap dot bx I cap plus ax I cap dot byj cap plus ax I cap dot bz k cap plus ayj cap dot bx I cap plus ayj cap dot byj cap plus ayj cap plus bz k cap plus az k cap dot bx I cap plus az k cap dot byj cap plus az k cap dot bz k cap. Now we know that I here ax and bx are a scalar, so this will be multiplied, and I cap dot I cap because is equal to 1, so this term will be ax into bx, and this and next term ax I cap dot byj cap because I cap dot j cap equals to 0, so this whole will be equal to 0. Similarly other terms is 0, and ay, now we have ay j cap dot byj cap, this also will be ay by, and another terms becoming 0, and we reaches to the az cap dot bz cap, and it will be equals to az bz. So finally we get a dot b equals to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. That is a dot b vector equals to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Now some important formula. We have a vector dot a vector, mode of a vector, mode of a vector into mode of a vector cos 0, because angle between same vector is 0. So a dot a equals to a into 1 equals to a square, and a dot b equals to 0. If a dot b equals to 0, then a vector and b vector are perpendicular, because a dot b equals to mode of a into mode of b into cos 90, a into b into 0 equals to 0. Thus we can say that two different vectors, dot product of two different vectors will be 0 only when they are perpendicular to each other. Example, let's see the example of vectors product. If f vector, that is force vector, is given by 3i cap plus 4j cap minus pk cap unit, and displacement vector d vector is given by 5i cap plus 4j cap minus 3k cap unit, then a find angle between the and 2 projection of f vector on d. Solution, we have f dot d fx dx plus fy dy plus fz dz equals to 3 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus minus 5 into minus 3 equals to 16 unit. Again f dot d equals to mode of f into mode of d cos theta. Hence cos theta equals to f dot d by mode of f into mode of d. And we have f dot d equals to 16. So putting this value 16 by root 50 equals to root 50. We get 60 by 15 equal to 8 by 25. Hence theta equals to cos inverse 8 by 25. Again f dot d equals to mode of f into mode of d into cos theta equals to fd into cos theta equals to d into f cos theta equals to d into component of f vector along d vector, or equals to d into projection of a vector on d. Hence f dot d by d equals to projection of a vector on d vector. This implies 16 by root 50 equals to projection of a vector on d vector. Answer. Next, work. Next topic is about work. Whenever force is applied on the body and body displaces, then in language of physics it is said that work is happening. Definition of work. It is defined as the product of magnitude of displacement and the component of force in the direction of displacement. According to definition, W equals to S into F cos theta equals to Fs cos theta or equals to F dot S vector. Here the situation is shown. A F vector is acting along the at angle theta and body is displaced horizontally. So we have to take the component of force along displacement, which is F cos theta. So from definition, W equals to S into F cos theta